Hey abundant parents, it's Leah. In this video, I'm going to talk all about the HeartMath Institute. We're going to be talking about the brain-heart connection and the impact that our heart actually has on all of the systems of our body, and some tools for taking that information and applying it into your life, increasing your positivity, creating really healthy practices in your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. I post a new video at least once a week, oftentimes more, so also hit the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. As many of you who watch my workshops know, I am a big believer in finding that heart-breath connection. Now, initially there was definitely an intuitive element of leaning into what felt good. It felt good to alleviate the stress that I was feeling in my body by connecting my heart and my breath. But a few years ago, I discovered the HeartMath Institute, and it really opened up the door to more scientific proof of this connection between your heart and your mind. In fact, the HeartMath Institute has spent years and years and years measuring heart and brain activity, and their conclusions are really compelling. Some of what their research does is to measure the heart and its patterns while also measuring the brain and its patterns and seeing how the two send messages to one another. The really interesting thing is that the heart actually sends more messages to the brain than vice versa. So our heart has different rhythms depending on our emotional state. And the messages it gives our brain, depending on that state, can really impact the brain's emotional processes. Now, of course, I'm horribly simplifying all of this. So I really encourage you to go to the HeartMath Institute's website and read all of their research and their conclusions. And in fact, I will put the link in the description of this video. They explain it best by talking about how when we sustain a positive state of mind, positive feelings, it benefits not only our body, but also how we perceive and think and feel and perform. It helps all of our body's systems actually synchronize and work better. And this is also why people who have experienced extreme stress or trauma will actually develop illness and neurological disorders in the days, weeks, months, years to follow. Okay, so what do you do with this information? How do you bring this information in and have it benefit your life? Well, the HeartMath Institute suggests that you should seek to maintain an optimal state of function that they refer to as coherence. It's when positive emotions are sustained, and then there becomes a body-wide shift. Your body actually functions better as a whole in scientifically measurable ways. And interestingly, a number of different systems of the body actually synchronize with the heart rhythms, including your brain. So of course, the next question is, how do you achieve coherence? Now, you might think that it's actually a state of relaxation. And there are some overlaps in how the heart and mind function as a result of relaxation if you're comparing it to coherence. But it's really more about a harmony in the pattern, the rhythm of the heart. Think of that harmony as how you feel when you are at your best. You're calm, but you're also energized, and there's just a sense of balance. Or as I talk about in the law of attraction, it's that sense of bliss, that feeling of bliss and ease. So here's one of the best parts. One of many of their tools that they suggest at the HeartMath Institute is actually breathing. It's this tool that's so easily at our disposal. Now, they recommend a 10-second breath. That's 5 seconds in and 5 seconds out. Now, something that I'm often teaching in my workshops is a little bit different. It's a breath in over the course of a count of 3 to 4, holding just a moment at the top of your breath and then releasing over the count of 3 to 4. And I don't give a specific number because I know my breath and its ability changes drastically depending on how tired I am, how much stress I might be under, especially if it's the first practice that I'm turning to help myself reach coherence or that blissful, peaceful, balanced state. Regardless, breathing is an amazing first tool for really balancing yourself and taking that first step towards finding a place of more ease and calm. But most importantly, whether you're listening to me talk about the law of attraction or you're diving into the HeartMath Institute, is your resonance with positivity. Something that I teach my clients, whether it be parents, or kids, is using visualization as a tool, but attaching your emotions, allowing yourself to really let the positive emotions and feelings flow while doing your visualization exercise. Many times, this is allowing positive feelings that you have experienced in the past or you anticipate to experience in the future when you are visualizing the perfect day in this life that you are manifesting. So today, right now, to create coherence, you can use breathing. You can use visualization while attaching those positive emotions. And you can also really lean into good feeling thoughts, good feeling people and places and things and experiences. All of that's really going to help you embrace a positive mindset and experience those good feelings now. Lastly, I talk quite a bit about mirror neurons in our brain, where we are sending neurological messages to others that we may not even be aware are occurring or that we are sending. Well, the heart sends out energy too. You have electromagnetic energy that flows from your heart and really impacts everyone around you. Couple this with the fact that our heart is actually sending more emotional commands than our brain is, and that old truth of listen to your heart really resonates. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to hear more, please go to theabundantparent.com. I host an expert in the field every month, bringing tips and tools for parents to be the parent that their kids connect with best. That is all part of my membership, which is at theabundantparent.com. You want to click on the tab that says membership. I appreciate you spending your limited parenting time with me. I'm wishing you a day full of light, love, and abundance.